Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to receive email updates on Surveys and more in the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the notifications button. And at the email updates section, look for the Surveys and more button. And if you want to receive email updates on them, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, the email updates are turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.